Hey guys, what's going on? It's Yoanti, and I've got a brand new double sneaker unboxing coming in from my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. I want to give a big thanks to Hibbett for gifting me both of these shoes. You can buy both of them on Hibbett's website. Link in the description to buy these. Also a link to their Instagram page, their app. They've got some of the best selection of sneakers on there. They've got all the newest releases. Check out their launch calendar to keep up with what's dropping. Check out their rewards program. Also, they've got a great clothing selection as well. So I'm gonna dive right into these. I'm gonna start with the Adidas. This is the Adidas Ultra 4D 5.0, and I'm gonna call this the Oreo colorway. And I gotta say, it is just an unbelievable colorway. I love anything black and white in that Oreo color. Is just super wearable. You can throw them on and you're good to go. Like I can throw them on right now with this outfit and they're just automatically gonna match. But there is that 4D, which of course the Ultra Boost still forever the most comfortable sneaker of all time, in my opinion. I've got the Ultra 4D hit right there. As you can see, just the way that 4D pops, you know, I always wanted to cut this open to see how deep that goes. But I honestly think these are just as comfortable as the normal Boost foam. I really think that they've done a good job with these. When they first came out, I thought it was gonna be too stiff. I think this 4D actually will hold up longer than the Boost foam. I love how the three stripes really pop on these, and then just that mesh pattern, that woven mesh in the white and black just really stands out. Almost looks like a piano coming all the way up top here. You got the black Adidas logo, white Ultra Adidas right there. These retail for $200, which I think is still a pretty good price for a 4D. I think these might have been more expensive when they first came out, but they've come down a little bit in price. So I really love the way these look. For me, fit, true to size. My true size is a 9. I wouldn't go up or down. I think true size is the way to go in these, and the comfort is just top notch as always. So if you're looking for a new colorway, I think the Oreo colorway is the way to go. So link will be in the description. Next up, pair of Nikes. This is the Nike Air Zoom Type, retail $150, colorway Orwood Brown Black. And these are really cool. So as you can see, it almost looks like someone wrote on the box, you know, like it looks like that's obviously done on purpose, but it looks like someone literally wrote on it. And then here we go. So this is kind of like a remastered version of the Nike Air Zoom. And you can even see, it's kind of cool. Like, you know, right there, it looks like someone wrote on the shoe. Like the deconstructed look is obviously what's in. I think what Virgil did kind of just, you know, flip the game, and this type of look on a shoe, it's almost like a dad shoe, but reconstructed. Inside the tag here, it says, engineered to the exact specs of champions. And then there's this, wow, it's like this little piece of paper, like it's very flimsy. It says, N354 captures the innovative nature of Nike while creating a place to test ideas. This N354 label collection explores a spectrum of underfoot comfort and sensation. Risk plus stress for the win. So that's really cool. So as you can see, it's got that double heel. So you've got foam there, foam here. So obviously comfort in these is really good. Plus you've got a Zoom bag up in front right there. So there's really a lot going on. So look how wide that footbed is right there. That thing is huge, tons of grip. So these are a very interesting shoe. Different, you know, so if you're looking for something just different, I really think this is a good shoe. I like how the swoosh kind of fades from dark to light. Then you've got more of that writing right there. The swoosh there. So there's a ton of subtle detail. It looks like, could just be like a cream brown shoe, but there's tons of little hits on it. You got the Nike pull tab in the back. So I really like these. And once again, comfort, really nice because of that two-tiered foam right there. Comfort's gonna be good. And same with these. Most Nikes, I stick with a size 9, true to size, and I think you'd be fine. But they're very lightweight too. It looked like it'd be a heavy or dense shoe, but it really isn't. It's a light shoe and something different. You know, Nike's always trying to break the barriers, and this is no exception. I really like this color. It's once again super wearable. Then there's that patch on the front too. Another shoe that I could throw on and could go with this outfit. Same as these. Like I really like neutral colored sneakers because you could always throw them on, leave them by the door, wear them. They're different, they stand out, so very nice. So once again, thank you to my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. These are really sweet. I'll definitely be wearing these all the time, especially because they're both super comfortable. Make sure you guys check the links in the description to buy both of these, plus shop other sneakers on Hibbett's website. I know They just had a couple big drops. The Air Max 95 Neons just came back out. They had those. I'm sure they're sold out now. Hope you guys didn't sleep. I certainly bought them, so I'll bring you guys a review. And other than that, hope everyone has a very safe and happy holiday. I'll be talking to you guys in January for sure. So let me know what sneakers you're asking for Christmas. Other than that, as always, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care. Peace.